If you've come across gadgetking.info while searching for premium gadgets or cool fun accessories and wondered, is this store for real? You're not the only one. At first glance, Gadget King looks like a promising online gadget store based out of Sanquilin, Goa, offering high-end products like premium iPhone cases, phone grip covers, and other accessories that definitely catch the eye. The website is clean, the layout looks professional, and the product images are slick just enough to spark trust in a first-time visitor. But as always, we decided to look deeper and uncover what really lies beneath the surface. On the positive side, the site provides clear contact details, including a working phone number and what appears to be a legitimate physical address. That's usually a good sign, especially when many scam websites try to stay anonymous. However, once we go beyond these basics, some serious concerns start to emerge. The first red flag is that the website was only registered in August 2024, making it very new in the world of online retail. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does suggest there's little to no established history, which is something cautious buyers should keep in mind. More importantly, there's a complete absence of information about who owns or operates the site. No company profile, no team info, no social presence, which creates a transparency gap that serious shoppers will find unsettling. And perhaps most concerning of all, there are absolutely no customer reviews available, not on the site, not on Google, not even on forums or social platforms. In today's world where even the smallest products get tons of user feedback, the silence is strange. Are people not buying from them, or is feedback being filtered or not encouraged? That's a question worth considering before you make a purchase. So is Gadget King a legit store or a potential scam? The truth is, it sits somewhere in the gray zone. It doesn't scream fraud, but it doesn't inspire full confidence either. There's potential here, but also enough gaps to make us recommend caution. If you're thinking about buying, maybe start small, do your own research, and definitely keep your eyes open for any new developments.